Okay, today we're going to talk about how do we write a linear equation given a graph. So we're in this column right here. All right, the first thing we want to do is identify 2 points on the graph. All right, first off, there's a point right here at -2, -2. All right, then there's a point right here at 0, 4. After we identify 2 points, we need to determine the rise over run. So note that we're rising 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're running 2. So our rise over run is that we go up 6, so that's 6 over 2. So our slope is 3. All right. Now, if we are to write this in point slope form, remember point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So we can take either one of our points and plug it in. For instance, this point right here is 0, 4. So we can plug that into our point slope form so that we have y minus 4 equals 3 times x minus 0. And that's our point slope form. And then slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. All right, so when we deal with this, it's just a matter of simplifying our point slope form. So we do that by distributing our 3 first, so that this becomes 3x minus 0, or just 3x. And then we're going to add 4 to each side. And we have y equals 3x plus 4. All right, this is slope-intercept form. All right. Now, we're going to write this in standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. All right, and now it's just a matter of subtracting 3x from the slope-intercept form. And we have negative 3x plus y equals 4 now. But remember, we don't like to start off with a negative number, so we're going to multiply each side here by -1. And so we have positive 3x minus y equals -4. And that's our standard form. So we have everything that we want or need. This is standard form, slope-intercept form, point slope form. All right. So if we're given another graph right here, and we want to write an equation for that graph, then we just choose 2 points. So there's 0, -1, right? And then there is 3, 0 right here. So to go from one point to the next, we just rise 1 and we run 3. So our slope is 1 over 3 because we're going in positive directions. So if we want to write this in point slope form, we can use the point, either point, because this is point 3, 0. So that would be y minus 0 equals 1 over 3 times x minus 3. That's our point slope form. If we want to write this in slope-intercept form, then we just distribute this 1 over 3 inside, and we're left with y minus 0 is just y. So we're going to write y equals 1/3 x minus 3 times 1 over 3 is just 1. And that's our slope-intercept form. All right, to get this in standard form, we have to manipulate the slope-intercept form. So we're going to subtract 1/3 x from each side. And we have negative 1/3 x plus y equals -1. We never like to start standard form with negative, and we also don't like a fraction. So we're going to multiply by the both things that we don't want, which is this negative right here and this 3. So we multiply by -3 on each side. And we're left with, so this becomes -3 times -1/3 is just 1x, or x. -3 times y is -3y. And -1 times -3 is a +3. So here is the standard form that we want. And we're done.